Yeah, it's a really exciting team. I'm mostly in with the engineering side over in our lab, and so there's a lot of folks working on hardware, a lot of folks working on the software side, and so I'm pretty continuously amazed by the genius and the amount of capability that we have on our team. One of my favorite parts about my job is actually when I get to interact and work with the hardware. Putting the satellite on a rocket, or getting the satellite ready for a vibe test or something like that. Most of my day-to-day is spent behind a computer, and so when I get those opportunities to actually get hands-on and work with the flight hardware is definitely, I think, my favorite part of the job. It's really impressive to think about the amount of impact our data products can have for folks around the world, and it's exciting to know that we're part of a team that's able to make tangible change throughout the world.